this video, we are going to be talking about some of the best link in bio options. I'll be sharing some free options as well as some paid options, so if that sounds interesting, then just keep on watching. But the first link in bio app that you might want to consider is called Stan. I love how easy it is to use Stan. It's great if you want something that's more robust, and it actually has sales funnels integrated into it, so you don't need to pay for software like ClickFunnels separately. Stan stores also have a one-tap buy, so it makes it super easy for the buying process for consumers, because having the least amount of friction and buttons for people to go through will actually make the buying process a lot easier, and you'll get more sales. Here are some of the key features of Stan. Stan has one-tap pay. The way that you can edit your Stan store is super easy. It's all drag and drop. You don't need to be a whiz or anything to make a nice looking store. Plus, you automatically receive an affiliate code as soon as you sign up, which is awesome. You don't need to worry about applying for it separately. You just automatically get it after you signed up yourself. A Stan store is $29 per month, and I actually really believe that you get your money's worth with this. It replaces the need for you to buy a funnel builder like ClickFunnels. The store is already mobile optimized. It was created to convert leads into sales. There's automated calendar bookings and invites. There's a nice in-depth analytics page, one-tap pay, plus you've got a nice email and newsletter list builder. If you want to check out Stan, I will leave the link down in the description along with all of the other apps that I'll be sharing with you. So the second link in bio option that I am going to be sharing with you guys today is called Koji. Koji is basically like the free version of a Stan store, in my opinion. With Koji, you can actually do a lot of similar things that you can with a Stan store. However, the tools are not as friction-free. So there are a few more steps to make a sale. Layout is a little more difficult to set up, but the nice part is that you can go in and add each of the apps that you want to add out of the marketplace. Koji is actually free, which is awesome for starting out. However, they do take a percentage of each of your sales. Each of the different apps will have their own percentage that they would deduct from your sales. This will be good up until a certain point. With a Stan store, you're only paying $29 per month. You don't pay a percentage of the fee, you don't pay a percentage of your sales like you do with Koji. I think that if you're bootstrapping, it would be great to start with Koji, and then as you level up your business or your content creation journey, then maybe venture into something like a Stan store. Third link in bio option that I have for you guys today is actually Canva. I love that on Canva you can design pretty much anything you want. It's drag and drop, it's super easy, and you get your own custom link even if you're on the free plan. If you just want a nice, simple link in bio option that's completely customizable when it comes to the design and everything, I would definitely opt for Canva, especially if you're already paying for it or you have a free account. The three best link in bio options, in my opinion, would be a Stan store with Koji or creating one on Canva. I will have everything linked down in the description below for you guys. I will see you in the next one.